guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna keep it nice and short. So I'm gonna be talking about how I whiten my teeth at home. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I whiten my teeth at home, and it's really affordable and super easy, and obviously what better way than to do it in the comfort of your own home, then go ahead and keep on watching. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me down below on my social media. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I whiten my teeth at home, then please keep on watching. So this is the kit that I have been using to whiten my teeth at home. This video is sponsored by iSmile California, but obviously I'm going to be telling you guys how it works and everything. So yeah, so before this I actually have tried whitening whitening strips, but the thing is, like, I remember I think I once used like the drugstore ones, like the Crest ones, like the Crest 3D white strips, when those were like super popular back in the day. And what I would find with those is that they were like really like slippable. So basically, like, I would like it was just like thin little like strips, and they were like clear, and I would just put it on my teeth, but like it would slide a lot, so I felt like I wasn't getting my money's worth, to be honest. I felt like it didn't, you know, like I didn't get the worth out of it, and it just didn't whiten my teeth. Yeah, that's the only one I've actually ever used, but yeah, I didn't really like it. So when iSmile reached out to me, I really wanted to give them a try, see how it works and everything. So what I found about iSmile California is that not only do they like whiten your teeth, but it also comes with like a little feature, which is going to be a little pen. It's a blue little pen that also like desensitizes your teeth. So if you do have like sensitive teeth or sensitive gums, I personally don't, but like because I am using like a charcoal toothpaste and stuff, so I don't have sensitive teeth. But if you do, then, you know, it comes with that option to help your teeth. That way they're not, you know, as sensitive. And obviously it is really important that it does have that feature, because like if you're gonna whiten your teeth, you want to make sure that you're doing it like safely, especially if you're doing it on your own. You know, you want to make sure you're doing the best, you're doing it like in the best possible way, you know, without ruining your teeth, obviously, because, you know, once we ruin our teeth, that's like something pretty cost effective. So you want to make sure that you're obviously, you know, taking care of your teeth and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that comes in here. So I have used it, so obviously everything doesn't look brand new, but this is what it looks like when you first open it. So this is what it looks like. So it comes obviously with the little pens, and it's really cool that it comes with this. You guys are going to see me in the video later on like compare my level of like whiteness. So it comes with like this really cool little like you know, sheet that like basically you can like see what like level your teeth is at, and it comes from 1 to 16. So obviously 16 is the most yellow one, but yeah, you guys are going to see me, you know, put this against my teeth once I'm like done whitening it. Once I show you guys how you can do it. And also you can write down here, like it says day 1, day 7, so you can write down and like track like how white your teeth is getting. So these are the pens that it comes with. It obviously comes with the white ones, which those are the ones that are gonna whiten your teeth, and then this blue pen is the desensitizing one. And this is the actual little tool, you know, that you put inside of your mouth, and this is the one that lights up. It gives off red and blue lighting, and I really like that it is like just like you're supposed to just connect it. It's not like with a battery or anything, and it has like, I already have it hooked up together because I've used it. But basically, like, this is the attachment. You can do it like a, what is this, a USB port, or it also comes with the option for like your iPhone, or if you do have an Android phone, it also comes with the option for an Android phone. And it also, what I really like is that it comes with the option putting this on. So if you guys know what this is, the new MacBooks don't even have like what's it called, like a little like I guess port, no, like it doesn't, like, for the new MacBooks you can't put this in. So if I wanted to, you know, use it with my computer, I could, because, you know, you can use it with this. So I thought that was like actually really cool and thoughtful, because not a lot of them have it nowadays. It says smart teeth whitening technology. It has a 15-minute automatic power off. So that's for the little like teeth piece. So basically, you know, like once it lights up, once you have the white transparent gel on, basically like it like shuts off on its own. So you don't really have to like track it, you know, it just tracks it on its own for you with an automatic power off. And it says how to use the LED light to whiten your teeth. It says for optimal results, use the kit once a day for 2 weeks. First, gently brush and floss your teeth, and then just dry your teeth with like a tissue. So basically you just want to make sure your teeth are like dry on the surface before putting on the gels. It says to remove the cap and twist the bottom of the white pen until a small drop of gel appears on the brush tip. For the first use, you may need more twisting. And then it just says smile wide, keeping lips away from your teeth, and brush a small amount of gel onto each visible tooth. And then insert the tray into your mouth and adjust your lips up and away from the tray, resting your lips comfortably over the outside of the tray. And then connect the light to a USB or your smartphone, and then it will turn on. And obviously it does have the automatic power off for 15 minutes. And it says when you're done, just to rinse your mouth with like cold water. If you do like warm water, it like may ruin the little tray. So just make sure you're gonna do it with cold water. And then when you're done, to desensitize and remineralize your teeth, use the blue gel. Basically for the blue gel, you're just gonna use it for 5 to 10 minutes. And for this part, you don't have to like turn on the little tray. You're obviously gonna use the tray still, but you don't have to like turn it on, like connect it if you don't want to. And you can do this for up to 5 to 10 minutes just to help if you do have sensitive teeth. So that way it like desensitizes your teeth for you. And also one other thing is, while I do use mine, I do notice like little bubbles forming. So basically like your saliva. So yeah, so that will happen. So just, you know, don't get scared if you see little bubbles forming like inside of the little tray. That is completely normal. It's supposed to do that. That's how you know that the product is actually working. And the back of the brochure also has like a little like Q&A section. So it says, how long does it take to get results? It says use it once a day for 2 to 3 days. Some people notice results within 4 to 5 days. I actually noticed results right away, honestly, because I'm not really like a coffee drinker or anything. I honestly just drink a lot of water, but although I feel like with the one place I really personally noticed the difference was like in my gums, like in this upper area, like I could really see like more of a yellow tint, and the lower, you know, the lower part of my tooth, not really. But that's where I actually really saw a difference, and you guys are going to see that once I show you guys. And it says you can't drink anything for an hour after, which is obviously completely normal. You know, that's what they tell you at the dentist too. For the last Q&A question, it says, why are there blue and red lights in the mouth tray? And it says the wavelength from the blue lights is specifically designed to activate the whitening gel, while the wavelength from the red lights is designed to decrease sensitivity and protect your teeth during the treatment. Okay, so now it is time for me to show you guys how this works. So these are the little pens, obviously, that comes in the box, and these are the adapters that I was showing you guys. Comes with a USB one, and then one for your Android or iPhone, or now the new MacBooks. So it comes with these, and also this little template. So like I was saying, now you guys can really see it up close and way better lighting, and I think I'm like a solid 9 or 8. It goes to 16, but obviously my starting point, I feel like it is about a 9, which is right there. So yeah, so we're gonna see where I'm at once I am done. So I'm gonna go ahead and take one of the clear pens, and it obviously comes with 3, so it's quite a bit of solution. So you can obviously use it up to several times. So just gonna go ahead and start by twisting the bottom of it, and just since it is, you know, one of my first times using it, I'm just gonna go ahead and twist it until I see the clear liquid come out like so. And now just start applying it on my teeth, and obviously the more like visible teeth, you know, at the front and the bottom. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. now I'm just gonna go ahead and put this part in, and yeah, so it's just super comfortable, which I really like. And now I'm gonna connect it to my phone for the LED light to turn on as so, and it is the red and blue lighting. And yeah, so like the little sheet said, the blue is for the actual desensitizing, and the red is for, you know, the whitening. So obviously now I just wait for around 15 minutes, and like I said, it is auto shut off, so you don't really have to worry about like setting a timer. If you want to, you can obviously put one off, but you don't have to. So now I'm just gonna wait for around 15 minutes, and yeah, I'll know when it's done and go ahead and rinse my mouth once, you know, it shuts off. And now it is time for me to put on the blue gel, which this is going to be the part for the desensitizing. So obviously if you are more sensitive, if you do have more sensitive teeth, this is going to help with that. I personally don't. I actually don't feel the need to use this, but obviously I do want to go with the instructions of everything and do everything as I'm supposed to. So I'm just going to go ahead and use it, and obviously same thing. It's going to take a little bit longer to, you know, for some of the product to come out. And finally now here we are, and yeah, I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my teeth. So I already obviously showed you guys while I was doing it and how I did it and everything. The timer, obviously I already did the blue part, which is the desensitizing, and I'm always in a different lighting now. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what number I am at. I feel like when I started I was like a solid 8, maybe 9. So now I'm going to go ahead and see which one I am. So I honestly feel like I'm a true 5 now, if you guys can see. Yeah, I feel like I am a 5, which is really, really cool. So I imagine like if I keep using it, obviously I'm gonna like get to a 1 maybe, because that's like everyone's goal, right? To get to a 1. I am really happy with my results from iSmile California. Obviously it worked for me for some nice white teeth again. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this product, I will leave a link to Amazon down below where you guys can purchase it. And they do have a 30-day money back guarantee, so obviously, you know, in case anything does go wrong, which it shouldn't, but in case anything does, then obviously you guys can return it. So there is a 30-day money back guarantee. So yeah, I'll leave it linked down below, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. And obviously thank you to iSmile California for sponsoring this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me down below on my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.